Good morning, students. In the today's session, I am going to start your first lesson of geometry, that is basic concept in geometry. This basic concept already I think you learn in the 8th standard, that is point, line. Just I am going to revise it again. Before that, I will explain you what is meant by geometry, how this word form. This word is generated from the Greek word geo. Geo means earth and metria, that is a measuring. So the meaning of this word is earth measuring. Geometria, and it form a geometry. The point, line and planes are the basic concept in the geometry which we do not define. Line and planes are the set of the points. But what is point? We can't define here. Now, coordinate of the points and the distance. What is meant by coordinate? The number associated with the point on the line is called the coordinate. The distance between the 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. The distance between two distinct points is non-negative. It always a real number but non-negative. What is the important thing? The distance is non-negative. Students, if I am saying the distance between the you and your friend, it is always in a positive. In same way, in the geometry also, if you are finding out the distance, any 2 points, in any 2 destination, it's always a non-negative real number. If 2 points are non-distinct, it means that their distance between them are 0, means they are on a same position. Therefore, the distance between them is 0. Now, just by using the number line, I am going to explain the distance and the coordinate. Now, see, look towards this diagram. In this diagram, a number line is there. In the center, in the middle position, there is a point O having the coordinate 0. All of you know that integer. How many integers are there? The set of integers are negative as well as positive number including 0. And this number line also shows these numbers. From right side it is a positive and left side it is a negative. Now look towards this, it is from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus. Listen, in this 2 point there are infinite numbers are there. And therefore I told before also that the distance is non-negative real number, not integer, not a natural, not a whole, real number. And what is real number? The number which are in the form of fraction, that is p upon q. The number which are in the fraction, that is p upon q, called as a real number, and the distance between 2 points is always non-negative real number. Remember, it is very important concept. Now, for example, what is the coordinate now? If I am saying the coordinate of A, what is the coordinate of A in this number line? It is a 1. What is the coordinate of D in this number line? It is a D is 4 and K is minus of 3. Now, betweenness. Betweenness means which point is in between other 2 points. So, there are 3 possibilities. For example, I am considering that the point PQR. I am just saying that point PQR. And I will ask you, what is the betweenness? You can define? No. Exactly. Maybe Q is in between. Maybe P is in between. Or maybe R is in between. Now, these 3 possibilities. First is, listen. In this diagram, PQR. This is one line. So, PQR. So, this Q point is in between P and R. In the second diagram, this R is point which is in between P and Q. And in third diagram, P is in between R and Q. And these are the 3 betweenness properties or possibilities. Now, if the distance of P comma Q plus of distance of Q upon Q comma R, P comma Q and Q comma R is equal to PR. If this condition is there, then definitely which point is in between? Obviously, the point Q is in between P and R. Now students, then line segment. The union set of a point A and point B and the point between both set is called as a segment AB or line AB. This is not a line. Line means a like this. If it is an arrow is mentioned, it means that it is infinite. But if the points are mentioned, then we are going to say the segment. Line segment, not only line. Okay, the distance between the end point of the segment is called as a length of a segment. For example, this AB is a line segment having a length 5 centimeter, and therefore the length of AB is equal to 5, or you can write only AB is equal to 5. It means that the line segment having a length 5 centimeter. So line, point, coordinate and distance, these are the basic concept of geometry. Now on this basis we are going, so many concepts are there, but now here on this basis I am going to explain you the questions. Now see the first question. Find the distance with the help of number line given below. Just I explain you how to find out the distance by simply subtracting the smaller coordinate from the bigger one. Now see here, coordinate of point B is 2. Coordinate of point E is 5. So which one is bigger? Obviously 5 is greater than 2, and therefore the distance of, how to read it? D means distance. Distance of B comma E is equal to 5 minus of 2, and therefore distance of B comma E is equal to 3. Similar way, we have to find out distance from J comma A. What is the coordinate of J? J is minus 2. And what is A? A is 1. Which one is bigger? Obviously 1 is greater than minus of 2. And therefore distance of J comma A is equal to 1 minus in bracket minus of 2. So you will get the 3. So distance of J comma A is 3. Now the P comma C. What is P? Coordinate of P is minus of 4 and C is 3. So how to find out it? 3 is greater than minus 4. Therefore distance of P comma C is equal to 3 minus minus of 4. You will get the distance of P comma C is equal to 7. So this is a simple way to find out the distance between any two coordinate of the point which are given on a number line. Same way, sixth question, coordinate of the point J. We have to find out J and H. What is the J? Minus 2. H is minus of 1. And therefore the distance minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore distance of J comma H is equal to minus 1 minus minus of 2. So you will get 1. Minus 1. This minus minus become plus 2. And you will get a 1. So distance of J comma H is equal to 1. Now the coordinate of the point K is minus of 3. Where is K? K is minus of 3. The coordinate of point O is 0, and therefore 0 is greater than minus 3, and therefore the distance is 3. Similar way, other also distance of O comma E. O is 0, E is 5, 5 comma 0 is 5. Distance of P comma J. P is minus 4, J is minus 2. Minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Therefore minus 2 minus minus 4 is equal to 2. And the coordinate of the point Q minus of 5 and B is 2. And therefore the distance between Q comma B is equal to 2 minus minus of 5 is equal to 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So in this way we can easily find out the distance between the given coordinate. How? Just by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the bigger one. Okay students, so carefully read it, write in the notebook, and like this 5 different example by taking a number line you have to send me. This is your homework.